Introduce young learners to this 6-step I Spy game over a period of 1 to 2 years to encourage awareness of the sounds of the spoken English language and show how to analyse sounds and words. Play each step for a few months with a child before moving on to the next stage. When playing with a mixed age group, rotate between the various stages as necessary to allow all ages to participate at their own level. Hold a single familiar object or picture of an isolated object in your hand so your children can see it. Let's say it's a pen. Look at the pen and say, I spy with my little eye something beginning with P. Prompt a guess if necessary, and when you hear the correct answer, acknowledge it by immediately repeating the word and sound. Pen begins with Hold or place down 2 familiar objects or picture cards, the names of which do not begin with the same sound. I spy just one of them by giving the first sound. For example, I spy with my little eye something beginning with When a correct answer is given, repeat the word and sound. For example, Matt begins with Repeat this process with another pair of objects or picture cards. Later, repeat the process with 3 and then more objects or picture cards, only one of which has a name beginning with the given sound. Broaden the field of possible objects to include everything in a small section of the environment, such as a corner of the room. I spy with my little eye something beginning with ul. Acknowledge all words that begin with a designated sound by repeating the word and sound. Repeat the process for the same or another small section of the environment. Later, repeat the process for a larger section of the environment and then for the entire visible environment. At this stage, indicate both the first and last sounds of the name of the object you have in mind by saying, I spy with my little eye something that begins with B and ends with K. Acknowledge correct answers by immediately repeating the word and both sounds. Book begins with B and ends with K. Start by playing step 4. Now draw attention to the remaining middle sound of the word and then say all 3 sounds separately but in sequence. I can hear the sound U in the middle of the word book. Say the sounds with me. B, U, K. After analysing 3 sound words, gradually work up to 4 sound and 5 sound words. Each time the object is guessed, analyse all the middle sounds and then all the sounds in sequence. Work towards being able to analyse words without needing to play the I Spy game first. Ask your child to think of any word with the chosen sound in it without the prompt of seeing a particular object. Can you think of a word with the sound E in it? Repeat the question with 2 different sounds for more capable children. Can you think of a word with the sound A and T in it?
Kids learning.